Hey, what's up guys, KSK here. So this is the first look at Microsoft Linux distro known as a CBL Mariner. So what is CBL? CBL stands for a Common Base Linux, which is a Microsoft's internal Linux distribution to build the cloud infrastructure and other services of Microsoft. Now, CBL Mariner is used in cloud platforms like Microsoft Azure and in Windows subsystem for Linux to provide the ability to run a Linux GUI applications on Windows 11. Anyway, so let's see how the installation process of CBL Mariner and see how it looks. Now, as of now, Microsoft hasn't released any ISO builds to download and install. This is an open source and free, so you can compile and build your own ISO. Now, all you need is an Ubuntu LTS and install all the dependencies like a Docker, RPM tools, ISO tools, Go language support, and others. Once it's done installing all the tools, you can clone the GitHub repositories of Microsoft and start downloading all the resources and build the ISO. Now this will take around 4 to 5 hours to complete building ISO. Now once it's done, there will be an ISO generated inside your system. Now I tried using a VirtualBox to install the CBL Mariner. Now, the installation process will give the options to enter into a text or graphical mode. Now as you can see, this is the graphical mode and the installer looks quite similar to Calmere's. Now this is the default installer that comes with a CBL. You can choose the installation types and start installing the CBL. Now it's that simple. It took around 100 seconds to install the full edition. Now once it's done, you can go ahead and reboot the system, and this is the first look of the CBL terminal. Now nothing fancy here, it's just a normal terminal. It loads after booting and you won't find any GUI here. Now let me go ahead and install an SSH daemon so that I can control the virtual machine through my host OS. Now it's time to talk about the package management in the CBL Mariner. Now Microsoft uses an RPM based package manager. The package update system contains both DNF and TinyDNF is a new package manager based on DNF and coming from a VMware's Photon OS. When it comes to a package repositories, CBL Mariner uses two main package repositories. The one is a base, another one is an update, and almost 2,000 plus packages are available from both repositories. Overall, I would say CBL Mariner is powerful and the most aspects of the operating system are built with an emphasis of security. And this distro is not meant to be used for public, so it's just for the Microsoft team to build and develop their own services. So what do you guys think about it? Let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching this video. It's been KSK Ryle. I will see you in my next one.